Good morning, dear children. In yesterday's class, we all had learned about nervous system. Children, today in this class, we will learn about reflex action and sense organs. Children, before knowing the reflex action, let us understand the term stimulus. Stimulus means any action that makes an organism to react. For example, if you see a tasty food, water comes in your mouth. So, tasty food is a stimulus here. Children, our body reacts to this stimuli because of our nervous system. Now let us understand about reflex action. Children, reflex action is an automatic response of the body to a situation, and such actions are sudden and very quick. Reflex actions are caused by the messages from the spinal cord, and here brain is not involved. As you touch any hot objects, you pull away your hand immediately. This is due to the action of a spinal cord, and this action is reflex action. Now let us know about sense organs. Children, there are 5 sense organs, and these sense organs connect us to the outside world. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 sense organs. Now we will know about them one by one. Children, this is a picture of eyes. It is very important part of our human body, and it helps us to see. These eyes are fitted into the socket in the skull, and children, these eyes are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Eyelids protect the eyes from the injury, and eyelashes keeps the dust and dirt out. Children, the eyes have different parts, and these parts are cornea, iris, pupil, lens and retina. Let us know about them. Children, first part is cornea. It is curved and transparent circular coat, and it controls and focus the entry of light into the eye, or you can say it decide how much light should enter in the eye. Second part is iris. Iris determines the eye color. You must have seen some people eyes are black, green or blue. This is only due to the color of iris. Third part of the eye is pupil. Pupil is a tiny hole for the light to enter. Okay. And next part is lens. And children, this lens is a solid body lying just behind the iris, and it provides focus of light on the retina. Children, next part of the eyes is retina, and on retina images are formed. You can see many tiny nerves present on the retina, and these nerves send messages to a sensory nerves called optic nerves. And children, this optic nerves connect eyes to the brain, so we can able to see any object. Children, as you all know that eyes are very delicate and important sense organ, so we should take care of our eyes, and we should remember or follow following points to take care of our eyes. First one is you should go periodically check up of your eyes by the doctors. Second one is you should read in proper light. Very dim or bright light is not good for your eyes, and when you read books, you keep at least 36 centimeter away from your eyes. Third point is, you should not rub your eyes with dirty hands, and when dust, coal, sand particles fall in your eyes, wash it with clean water. Children, in case of any eye infection, don't become doctor. You just go and consult a eye specialist. Okay? These are the some important measures that you should follow to take care of your eyes. Children, now next important sense organ is a pair of ears. Children, these ears help us to hear sound, and it also help us to keep our balance. A ear has three parts, as you can see in this picture: outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. Children, now let us know how does the ear work. Here, the outer ear collects the sound and send it to the inner ear through the middle ear. The inner ear has nerves that carry the messages to the brain. So you can be able to hear any kind of sound. Next sense organ is nose. It is also known as organ of smell, and we breathe and smell through our nose. Children, you all must have seen hairs found inside the nose that do not allow the dirt and dust to enter inside the body. And the upper part of the nose has many nerves ending. These nerve ending help you to smell. The senses of smell and taste are linked, and when you have a cold, the nerves end get blocked, so you cannot smell properly. Next sense organ is tongue. It is also known as organ of taste. Children, this tongue also help us to speak. And you can see the surface of the tongue has small buds, and these small buds are known as taste buds. Children, this taste bud help us to detect various tastes of food such as sweet, bitter, salty, and so. Outermost covering of our body is known as skin. Children, this skin has millions of tiny nerves ending that help us to sense touch, heat, pain, pressure, etc. Skin also protects the internal organ. Children, this skin has millions of tiny holes, or you can say pores, and when we sweat, the body waste comes out through these pores. Children, you all must have seen how these sense organs are important for us, so we should take care of our sense organs. So children, this was all about the lesson. Read this lesson once again thoroughly and watch video carefully to understand the topic. Okay, thank you and have a good day.